In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Acuity into a Squarespace website. We'll start inside Squarespace by opening Scheduling. This is where your booking setup connects with your site, and it's the easiest place to begin if you want visitors to book appointments directly from a page on your website. Once you're in Acuity, click Set Your Availability. Before you embed anything, it's important to make sure your calendar is actually ready to accept bookings. Go ahead and set your booking times based on the days and hours you want clients to see. This step controls when people can schedule with you, so take a moment to make sure your hours are accurate and realistic for your workflow. When you're done, click Save Regular Hours and then go back. Next, click Create Appointment Types. This is where you define the services people will be able to book. Click New Type of Service, then enter the name of your appointment. Make it clear and easy to understand so visitors instantly know what they're booking. After that, type a description. This is helpful for adding a little context about what's included in the appointment or what the client should expect. Then select the duration in minutes. Choose the amount of time that matches the service you're offering. After that, enter the price amount if the appointment is paid. Once all of that looks good, click Create. At this point, your service is now ready to be scheduled. Now that your availability and appointment type are set up, click the direct scheduling link. From there, choose Embed Scheduler. This gives you the code needed to place your scheduler directly on your Squarespace site instead of sending visitors somewhere else. Click Copy to copy that embed code. Then go back to your Squarespace website. Navigate to the page or section where you want the scheduler to appear. Click Add Block and choose Embed. After the block is added, click the pencil icon to edit it. In the editing options, select Code Snippet, then click the area for the embed data and paste the code you copied from Acuity. Once the code is pasted in, your Acuity scheduler will be embedded into the page. This allows visitors to book with you without leaving your website, which creates a smoother and more professional experience. As a final tip, preview the page after pasting the code so you can make sure the scheduler displays correctly and fits well within your layout. If everything looks good, you're all set.